Have you ever wondered how top IT organizations consistently deliver high quality services, even in complex environments? The secret lies in a well structured service management system, or SMS. Let's understand what that really means. Hello and welcome to TNV Academy, your trusted partner in professional training on ISO standards and service excellence. I'm Akanksha Mishra, and in today's session, we are going to take a deep dive into a concept that forms the foundation of modern service delivery, the Service Management System, or SMS. In this video, we will explore what is an SMS and why it is important, core components of a service management system, key processes and their integration, the Plan, Do, Check, Act methodology, ISO IEC 20001 requirements, common pitfalls and best practices. So stay with me till the end. This will be a complete walkthrough for service professionals, auditors and consultants. Introduction to service management. Let's begin with a basic but important question. What do we mean by service management? Service management is the structured approach an organization uses to design, deliver, manage, and improve services provided to customers, whether internal or external. It is not just about IT. Service management applies to customer support services, HR onboarding services, finance and payroll, facility and building management, and of course, IT help desk and infrastructure. The goal of service management is to maximize value for both the service provider and the customer through well-designed, reliable, and efficient services. What is a service management system, that is SMS? A service management system, or SMS, is a formalized management framework that includes policies, procedures, roles, documentations, and controls, or designed to plan, deliver, operate, and continually improve services. Think of it like the nervous system of a service organization. It connects the brain, that is management, with the limbs, that is operations, and ensures everything runs in coordination. According to ISO IEC 20001, SMS is the management system that supports service management and includes service governance, process controls, performance monitoring, continual improvement mechanism, just like a quality management system (QMS) in ISO 9001 ensures product quality. The SMS ensures service quality, consistency, and reliability. Benefits of implementing an SMS. Why do organizations implement a service management system? Here are the major benefits. Standardized service delivery. Everything is documented, repeatable, and auditable. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Services meet defined service level agreements (SLAs) consistently. Better risk management. Incidents, disruptions, and unauthorized changes are reduced. Compliance with global standards. Help you meet ISO IEC 20001 requirements and build client trust. Continuous improvement. Feedback and data drive service upgrades and optimizations. Stronger governance. Roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities are clearly defined. Improved communication. Stakeholders are aligned on service commitments and expectations. Operational efficiency. Wastage is reduced, duplication is avoided, and services are streamlined. Whether you are a small IT company or a large multi-service provider, implementing an SMS adds discipline and value. Key components of a service management system. Let's now look at the core elements of a service management system. Leadership and commitment. Top management must provide direction and resources. They must ensure the SMS aligns with the strategic goals of the business. Service management policy. A written document that states your organization's intent and approach to service delivery and improvement. Scope of the SMS. Which services, customers, and locations are covered? What is included and excluded? Roles and responsibilities. Define key roles: service manager, incident manager, change manager, configuration manager, etc. Risk and opportunity management. Identify service-related risk and mitigation strategies. Documented procedures. Standard operating procedures, that is SOPs, for each service management process must be developed and maintained. Performance objectives and KPIs. Set measurable goals: uptime percentage, first call resolution rate, ticket closure time, etc. Monitoring and review mechanisms. Monthly dashboards, internal audits, and management reviews are essential to evaluate the SMS. Continual improvement program. Every SMS must have a built-in mechanism for improvement based on feedback, incidents, audits, and metrics. These components form the skeleton of a strong SMS. Core service management processes. An SMS is not just a collection of documents. It is built around key processes that manage the life cycle of services. Let's explore a few core service management processes. Incident management deals with restoring normal service operation as quickly as possible. Example, resolving a server crash or email outage. Problem management focuses on identifying the root cause of a recurring issue and eliminating them permanently. Change management controls all changes to service components, including testing, approval, and implementation. Configuration management maintains a database of all IT assets and their relationships. This is crucial for impact assessment. Service level management defines, negotiates, and monitors service level agreements, that is SLAs. Service continuity and availability ensures that services are resilient, recoverable, and available as per the agreed uptime. Capacity and performance management monitors resource usage and plans for growth or optimization. Supplier management manages contracts, performance, and risk related to third-party vendors. All of these processes must be interconnected and managed within the SMS framework. The PDCA cycle in SMS. Every ISO-based system, including SMS, follows the PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, act. Plan, establish objectives and processes, for example, define SLAs or backup procedures. Do, implement the services and supporting processes. Check, monitor performance, conduct audits, and analyze KPIs. Act, take corrective actions and make improvements based on findings. This continuous loop ensures that your SMS is dynamic and always improving. ISO IEC 20001-2018 requirements for SMS. The ISO IEC 20001 standard defines mandatory requirements for a compliant SMS. Let's look at some key clauses. Clause 4, context of the organization. Understand your environment, stakeholders, and service needs. Clause 5, leadership, commitment from top management, roles, and responsibilities. Clause 6, planning, risk identification, objective setting, and planning for change. Clause 7, support resources, competencies, communication, and documentation. Clause 8, operation, core service delivery and control processes. Clause 9, performance evaluation, monitoring audits and management reviews. Clause 10, improvement, corrective actions, and continual improvement initiatives. All of these clauses must be implemented, monitored, and audited for ISO 20001 certification. Real-world example. IT service company. Let's take a practical example. Imagine an IT support company providing cloud infrastructure services. Without an SMS, incident tickets are handled inconsistently. There are no change approvals, leading to frequent outages. SLAs are not tracked. No documentation for problem resolution. With a structured SMS, incidents are logged, tracked, and resolved within SLA. All changes go through a formal change control process. Configuration items are mapped and documented. KPIs are monitored and reported monthly. Customers have visibility into service quality. That is the power of a functioning service management system. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Here are some common mistakes in SMS implementation. Treating SMS as paperwork only. Make it operational, not just compliance. Lack of top management involvement. Leadership must drive the system. Unclear roles and responsibilities. Define and communicate clearly. Overcomplicating the system. Keep it practical and lean. Solution for this: train your teams, automate where possible, align processes with business needs, review and adapt regularly. So now let's wrap up today's session. We have learned that an SMS is a structured way to deliver and improve services. It ensures consistency, quality, and continual improvement. ISO IEC 20001 provides the global benchmark for SMS, leadership, processes, documentation, and audits from the core. SMS is not just for IT, it applies to all service domains. If your organization delivers services internally or externally, implementing an SMS is not just valuable, it is essential. Like this video, subscribe to TMP Academy, and let us know in the comments if you had like a session on SMS audit or implementation steps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture of TNV Academy.